Hello, my name is Bertina and today I'm going to cook creamy chicken lasagna.
The ingredients are 6 lasagna noodles, 2 cups mozzarella cheese, spaghetti sauce, cream cheese, 1 cube chicken bouillon, and chicken breast.
First, we dissolve the bouillon cube in hot water, then we mix the chicken with it. After that, we add cream cheese to the chicken and the bouillon and we mix them together. I use my hands to mix. I think they are just perfectly fine to do this job for now, I guess. After this mixing, we add 1 cup mozzarella cheese and we keep mixing. When this is done, we are going to do the second part of this dish, which is spread 1/3 of sauce in the bottom of the baking dish that we are using. So we cover, we spread. Then after that we add the 3 lasagna noodles carefully. By the way, one of my lasagna is broke and I'm going to use it like that. After that, we cover it with the chicken mixture. We cover gently the lasagna so any part of the lasagna cannot be empty. So when we are having the dish, we are going to enjoy it. When I tried lasagna first time, I really like it, but it was veggie lasagna with some veggies, and I really love it last year. But I couldn't get the recipe, but then I get to eat this one and I really like it. So I got the recipe and then I tried to do it. After the chicken, we repeat the same thing. We add the sauce again. After that, we put the lasagna, the 3 lasagnas there. And after the lasagnas, we cover it with chicken mixture. And it's like that how we make the lasagna. Yeah, the first lasagna that I had before, it was really delicious. I think if I eat it again, I will have the same sensation. Yep. Did you know that there is a day for lasagna? Okay, if you don't know, I'm going to tell you. The official day of lasagna is 29th of July. So that day, I think all of lasagna lovers celebrate this. Also, there is a cartoon. Yes, there is a cat whose name is Garfield. He loves lasagna. So I love it. Doesn't matter how many versions of lasagna exist, but I just love lasagna. So I hope you too. After covering the chicken, we repeat or we use the rest of the sauce that we have. We just spread it onto the chicken, and after the spreading, we add the rest of the mozzarella cheese, and that's how we we do this delicious lasagna. Delicious creamy chicken lasagna. And we are almost done. This is getting ready. And it's like this at the end. We bake it in 350 degrees for 45 minutes. And ta-da! Here is it.